Hey guys, Mike Dalton from RLC Motorsports up here in Lyons, Indiana at Wagler Motorsports Park. We have come up for Scheid Diesel Extravaganza 2021. And I don't know, you can't tell it, but the guys that are here, there is no AC to be found. Can't find a shade tree within 20 miles of this place.
Hi, I'm Johnny Gilbert with Stainless Diesel. We're here at the Scheid Diesel Extravaganza event 2021 down here in Lyons, Ohio. Well, Lyons, Indiana, rather. Wagler Motorsports Park, one of my favorite tracks. Just here to have some good times, go fast, win a trophy, a couple dollars or something.
So round one qualifying, we go up there. The track temp is extremely hot today. It was 123 degrees at 12 o'clock today. Outside temp was about 103 real feel. So we were working with a pretty slick track. We're the only two-wheel drive in our class, trying to figure out the right tune-up. Get up there, everything's looking right, let go of the button. Right as I get out about 60 foot, the truck starts to float sideways. I end up having to pedal it, reel it back in, and still put a 560 down. So I can't complain about that. As of right now, we're in number 2 spot for qualifying.
Our game plan is basically just to go from A to B. My son, Dr. Tunemal, basically gave us a good getter down the track tune. We went 486. At 159, well 158, yeah. So getting it on.
158, so, that's a new mile an hour.
That's a new mile an hour record for us, for sure. Nice. Yep, so set the world on fire. So that was qualifying one, basically. So we didn't take the second pass today. We're just gonna save everything for tomorrow.
What are you doing?
What up, dog?
No pass for Q2?
No, man. It's party time. Time to eat ice cream and just have fun.
After that, you feel good. You got the tune up. Yep. Don't touch it. Leave it alone.
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Yep. No need to go faster than first place.
Q2, we go out and thought we had the tune-up figured out, had everything ready to go, and then I had the biggest job in the world and I forgot to do it. I've got a burnout switch in the truck, and it limits the truck to about 3,500 RPM. And unfortunately, I forgot to turn it off. It's my fault. It's nobody else's fault. It's my fault. And I forgot to turn it off, and long story short, as soon as I left the line, I knew something was wrong. So tomorrow morning we've got Q3. That'll give us one more lick at the track. We've got a tune-up in it that will go down. If we get off the line, I will put it in the 5-teens. But we are battling the heat. We only got 2 of the tires turning.
Yeah.
And we just got to adapt. We can't point fingers. We can't make excuses. It's our responsibility to adapt.
We're going to look at the conditions and see what the track looks like and kind of play it by ear. We might take that hit. Looking at the data, I think we're pretty comfortable going into eliminations just as we sit now.
So you've got you got Tyler first round.
Yeah, we do. We got Tyler from Dirty Hooker.
What's the game plan with that? How are you
So
gonna make tire shape?
today is tricky. We're dealing with the temps again today. We've got ambient temp that's high. We've got track temp that's high. We've got a track that's greasy at 330 foot and out. And here we go again. You know, we're a 2-wheel drive truck in a 4-wheel drive dominated class. So we're having to watch our P's and Q's and work way harder at making sure we don't run into tire shake, making sure we don't knock the tires off on this greasy track. And at 4,500 pounds, it takes a lot of work to make this truck do what the 4-wheel drives are doing. And you know, when we get tire shake, it's a done deal for us. A 4-wheel drive gets a tire shake, they can drive through it because they've still got the front tires pulling. They're not going to act dumb, go sideways and try to look at the fans in the crowd. You know, we don't want to do that. We want to go straight.
Yeah, if you get a by run due to someone braking or just that's how it shakes out with the ladder, you have to break the beams to go past the round basically to keep the points.
Game plan, we got a 490 tune-up in it. We're gonna go up there against Mr. Michael Dalton. I'm gonna take my time and get him plenty of time to stage because I don't want him to get too excited. And then we're gonna line up and I'm gonna let off that trans brake button and he's gonna be watching my parachutes at the other end. Oh yeah?
The star needs his cake.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? So now that you're in the points lead, how has your life changed?
It makes us feel really, really good about how hard the team's been working this year. And we're in the front row again. Yeah. Race shoes are officially gonna be taken off. It's after 5 and the captain's in.
770 index, getting the by run. Is
Woo!
gonna be
Thanks,
Nick
everybody.
Rose, your points leader.
Oh, yeah.
Bunch of badasses.
Yeah, you know what time it is?
I probably do.
Let's go to talk to Ken Phillips.
Yeah.
So you want to give us a rundown of what happened there?
Yep. Dr. Tunamal did exactly what he said on the tune-up, and I did my job and made it all happen.
And yet another victory.
Another win. A little farther ahead in the points. Another big W for Team Stainless Diesel.
And not a single pass higher than 5s.
Right.
On a track that everybody struggled on.
Yeah. Track that's red hot, super crazy hot conditions in general, and this team's on fire. That's all I gotta say.
What's the secret?
The secret, it's hot shot secret.
Yeah.
What I'm talking about. The team, man. Hot shot secret greases the wheels.
I'm on fire, man!
I'm on fire, man!
Put him out! He's my brother!
No, we got a great team. That's the secret. We got a lot of good partners that partnered up with us, and we got a hell of a team. And that's what happened.
What are you looking forward to down in Florida?
Lunch on the beach every damn day, and then going 490s, 480s all weekend.
Perfect.
At the end of the Scheid Diesel Extravaganza, Johnny Gilbert takes a commanding lead with 214 points, followed by Michael Dalton, Tyler Burkhardt, Aaron Reynolds, Tom Burrell, Paul Cato, and Nathan Wheeler. Stay tuned next time as the crew heads to Florida for the Hard Way Sunshine Showdown.